Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video features a test of the dual LAN port functionality of the UniRC 7. This device integrates SIYI's next-generation proprietary image transmission technology, achieving real-time transmission with single-channel 4K 30 fps or dual-channel 1080p 60 fps video quality. It supports connecting two gimbal cameras simultaneously and boasts a 65 megabits per second transmission rate with a low latency of just 170 milliseconds. The video is divided into three main parts. What materials are needed for the connection? How to connect the devices? How to display the output? What materials are needed for the connection? For this test, we used the following products: SIYI UniRC 7, SIYI 8 Mini, SIYI 2 Mini. Cables used: 8 power cable, 8 video transmission cable, USB cable. How to connect the devices? The connector on the A8 Mini is a GH1.259 pin, while the LAN 1 port uses a GH1.258 pin. First, connect the video transmission port of the A8 Mini to the LAN 1 port of the UniRC 7. Next, connect the video transmission connector of the A2 Mini to the LAN 2 port of the UniRC 7. The connector on the A2 Mini is a GH1.258 pin. The power connector on the A8 Mini is SH1.25, and the power cable connector is XT30. Then connect the power cable to the A8 Mini. After that, connect the power to the UniRC 7 receiver, which also uses an XT30 connector. Finally, connect the power cable to the A2 Mini. How to display the output. Since the camera addresses of both the A8 Mini and A2 Mini are the same by default, we need to change the A8 Mini's camera address to 192.168.144.26 to avoid address conflicts. Open the SIYI software on the remote controller. Enable Camera 1 and Camera 2, and you can view the feeds from both cameras simultaneously. You can freely switch between the feeds and control the camera movements. This can also be achieved on the UniGCS ground station. Open the UniGCS ground station and click the upper right corner. For camera address A, you can directly select the A2 Mini. For camera address B, you need to manually input the updated address of the A8 Mini. Return to the main interface, and you will see the feeds from both cameras displayed simultaneously. Unlike the SIYI software, UniGCS requires you to long press the screen to control camera movements. Additionally, you can directly adjust the camera resolution from the main interface. The test concludes here. Thank you for watching. For learn more, please turn to the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.